Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be shopping at CVS, my favorite store. I love the fact that I can go into CVS and I can get hundreds of dollars worth of stuff every week for free or almost free. Today my goal is to get about $150 worth of stuff for about $20. We'll see if we do it. Guys, make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when all my videos are coming out. I would love to share all of my deals with you. Also, I have a new website, praisingandsaving.com. Check that out. It has all my referral codes, my links, my printable breakdowns, and so much more. Also, I have an Instagram page and a Facebook page. Both of those are Praising and Saving. So everything is Praising and Saving. I would love to have you there. If you are not part of any of the rebate apps, Shopkicks, IBOTTA, Fetch, or Swagbucks, please look in my description box for the referral codes. You get a kickback and I get a kickback as well when you use those referral codes. And I think that's it. Let's get shopping. First deal is on this huge bottle of Ajax. These things are massive. So these are the 28 fluid ounces. I got a great deal on these at Kroger yesterday, but these are a great deal here as well. So we're getting the Ajax Ultra. These are $3.19. They're actually buy one, get one 50% off. So what's going to happen is if you were to divide with the buy one, get one 50% off, it would actually be $2.39 when you buy two. So you're going to buy two at $2.39 each. That's going to make them $4.78 before coupons and extra care bucks. And then we're going to use this dollar coupon that we have from the 926 inserts. That's going to bring it down to $3.78. And then we're going to get back $2 in extra care bucks when we buy two of these products here, making our final cost just $1.78 for two bottles of Ajax. So that's a pretty awesome deal, less than $1 per bottle. Alright, so I'm going to be picking up these Tide Hygienic detergents. My favorite are these right here. So I'm going to get those because that's just what I like. And you may decide on getting something else for your family because you may like the liquid instead, or you may like the small bags. And remember with these P&G coupons, we have to be careful about how we mix and match. Sorry to get my coupons out. Mix and match them because sometimes they can talk to each other and override each other. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick up two of these Hygienic Clean, and I like this too because it has 15% more in it this time, so we're getting a little bit more in there. I just really like these. And so picking up two of them, they're $11.94. We pick up two, it's going to be $23.88. We're going to use two of these $3 P&G coupons, so that's $6 in coupons that we will be using. And then we're also getting back $5 in extra care bucks when we do this deal because we're hitting that $20 threshold. When we do that, it's going to make both of these together $12.88 or $6.44 each. So $6.44 each for these. That's pretty great considering that's 50% off on some high value Tide. And look, oh, they even got the clean one if you like that. I mean, not the clean one, but the clear, the free. So picking up two of these today. So I did not know about this deal on the cereal. You know, I always check the cereal aisle because I love cereal at CVS because look at that, $1.99 for cereal. And you know, my kids love some cereal and we also donate cereal. I take this to work and give it for treats sometimes for my students. So what we're going to do, this is a little bit different than we usually do because this week they have a spend 20, get $5 back. So we're going to do something a little bit different. Our total is still going to be about $1 per box or so. So I am going to get 12 boxes. Now that's a lot of cereal, I know. 12 boxes of the General Mills cereal, but hear me out. So I'm getting 12 boxes at $1.99 each. When I do that, that's $23.88 worth of cereal. Then I have these $1.50 coupons, and I believe they came out in the 926 insert. I will make sure because I don't have it written down, but this is the 926 insert, I believe. These are for 3 boxes, $1.50 back. $1.50 off, excuse me, and I have 4 of those coupons. Okay, so that's $1.50 times 4. That's going to be $6 in coupons. All right, so we're at $23.88, $6 in coupons, and then we're also getting $5 back in extra care bucks. Boom, right there, making this just $12.88. I'm going to try to look and see if I have any other coupons in here, but $12.88 for all 12 boxes. So that's about what, $1 and less than, it's, you know, a little over $1 per box. So pretty exciting deal on the cereal. Pick it up today. Got a great deal coming at you from coupons.com. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick up one of these Extreme 5 pivot ball heads. I'm going to pick up one of these at $8.99. There's a $4 coupon on coupons.com that you can print today. I printed this today, so it's going to bring that total down to $4.99. All right, we're not done yet because we need to get one more item to hit our $5 or $15 threshold to get our $5 extra care bucks. Let's keep going. Then we're going to pick up one of these at $8.99. So they're both going to be $8.99. The men's and the women's, and my daughter loves these because it has like the little lotion head on it. This is the $3 off coupon on coupons.com. Printed it today as well, so we're picking up both of those. So here's the math. So both of them at $8.99 is going to be $17.98. We have a $3 coupon and a $4 coupon, so that's $7 in coupons, and then we're going to get back $5 extra care bucks, making both of these razors just $5.98. That is a really great deal. So under $3 for two really expensive razors, and they were $14.49 to start with, so down to $3. Pretty awesome deal. Got a freebie with coupons.com on this one. Very excited about these cough drops. I like to put these in the blessing bags, and so I love a freebie in a blessing bag. So these are $2 each, 2 for $4. And then, so I'm picking up 2 bags at $2 each, making them $4. And then we have these $1.50 coupons that we printed on coupons.com, and it says on, let's see, get closer, 20 count or larger, and these are actually the 30 count. So that's $3 in coupons, using 2 of those coupons, and then we're getting back $1 in extra care bucks. So that makes it totally free. So $4 minus the $3 in coupons makes it $1, and then getting back $1 in extra care bucks makes it totally free. Great deal. So excited about this paparazzi because I'm so used to getting all of that nail polish, and now we actually have some other things. They've got hand soap. Paparazzi is moving up in the world. Look at that eyeshadow palette. Cute, cute, cute. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be picking up 2 sets of these brushes, and look how cute these brushes are. I used to love when the pens did that when I was a kid. I'm using these brushes for myself. I'm not giving them away. I give away so much. Look at that. So I'm getting 2 of these brushes. I'm getting this one and I'm getting this one. When you buy 2, it's going to make it $8. You don't need any coupons for this, because when you buy 2 and you pay $8, boom, you're getting back $8 in extra care bucks. This is the deal of the day. So this will be absolutely free after your extra care bucks. So super excited. No coupons needed for this. Stop. We're still filming in the store, but I wanted to tell you that I made a mistake that's coming up. So the Crest toothbrushes that we're about to get, we actually paid absolutely nothing for those toothbrushes. In fact, they paid us I think $1 to buy 4 packs of these double pack of toothbrushes. So what happened was there was a $5 off 20 on Crest and Oral-B products. We hit that $20 mark, so that $5 came off as well. So I tell you in the video that we're going to pay for these toothbrushes, but actually we get them for free, and actually they're a money maker. So forgive me, watch the video, use the coupons, but also there's a $5 off 20 CRT on the CVS app. Don't forget to use it, and it will be an absolutely amazing Oral-B money maker on like $40 worth of toothbrushes. Got a really amazing deal on toothbrushes. We need this right now. I am out of toothbrushes in my house. So these are $4.99 per pack. These are the double packs of toothbrushes, and they're usually $10.49. So these are pretty high. And so we're gonna be getting these for $1 each actually. So it went from $10.49 to $1 each. So what we're doing is picking up 2 of these at $4.99. So that's about $10. And then we're gonna use 2 of these $2 off coupons. So when we use 2 of these $2 coupons, that's $4 in coupons. And then we're taking off $4 in extra care bucks. So that's $4 in coupons, $4 in extra care bucks, bringing it down to $2 or $1 per pack of toothbrushes, or even better, 50 cents per toothbrush, because there's 2 toothbrushes in the pack, and you can actually do this deal twice. I'm going to do that because I have 4 coupons. All right, guys, so my transaction at CVS was better than I even expected. There was a double dip on the Big G cereals, the General Mills cereals. So the double dip was, of course, I used those $1.50 coupons in the store. Sorry, I got a little hair out of place over here. But I also was able to use 2 of the $1 coupons in the app. So that was $1 and another $1 that came off. So the cereal actually only ended up being like $10 for 12 boxes. That is amazing. I'm not going to put that on my printable breakdown, but it is double dipped. And I'm going to show you on my receipt how it double dipped and the coupons that applied. Let me just fold this over a little bit so my stuff's not showing. All right. So if you can see, there is the Big G cereal there, and the $1 came off, and then another Big G cereal there, the $1 came off. One thing that did happen was the Tide Pods coupon, $3 off one, came off twice for me. I do not know why. I had a double dip on the $3 Tide Pods as well. And then I used, I think that's it. That was it for that one, for this transaction. There wasn't any like CRTs or anything special for the cereal, the Ajax, and the Tide Pods. Oh, you got my next receipt.
Yeah.
Thank you. My little helper here. So my next receipt, I did spend a little bit more money than I usually do, but it was because I didn't do 3 transactions. I only did 2 this time. I was in a hurry. I didn't want to be in there much longer. And so, let me go down to my total price. So let me show you my first receipt quick. So my total price on my first receipt, okay, here it is. It was $98.79 was what I saved today. So that's 90% savings. So my total price was about $10, It's $110, and I saved $98, and I saved $98 and a 90% savings. So that's an amazing, amazing savings. Now this one wasn't as good. This one I spent like $20, but I also got back a lot of extra care bucks. Like I have a ton of extra care bucks.
Yeah, that's why it's so long.
It's so long. So I didn't break my transaction up like I usually do.
6%
And so
off.
on this one, I think my total was about $85 for this one, $85, but I saved $64, which is a total of 77% in savings. Don't look at my fingernails, I have to get them done. And so the only thing that I had on that one that I was like, whoa, I'm so excited, was that $5 off 20 Crest. And everything else just came off. There wasn't really anything on the app except for that Crest one, that CRT on the app. And I'm just checking really quick. I think that's it. Yeah, I'm super excited about the paparazzi. I got the $8 for both the Oral-B's. I got the $5 for the razors. Oh, one of the razor coupons didn't come off. The $4 Schick razor coupon didn't come off, didn't work. She said maybe it's because it hasn't on the app, so it should have been cheaper. She wouldn't push it through, and I was just like, it's fine. I got enough savings. So it should have been only $16, but it was $20, and that's okay. It happens sometimes, and I didn't want to put it back because I really wanted that razor. We got the $1 for the Hall's cough drops, and then the $8 for the paparazzi cosmetics. So I'm super excited about those brushes. All right, guys. So make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Printable breakdown is in the description box, so please get that. And I will see you guys next time on, I guess we'll be doing Publix. We'll be doing Publix next, so I'll see you on Wednesday for Publix. Bye, guys.